Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to Spyrotech 365. Today I am going to tell you 5 tips in Adobe Premiere Pro. By these tips you can edit faster in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's start. So our first tip is that if you mess up the workspace here or something like that here, these types, you can go to the window and then workspace. After that, reset save layout, so the workspace will be restored as before. Tip number 2 is, if you close all of the sequence and if you are unable to find what the sequence is, you can find the sequence from the project panel by this. If you select from this one, from this button, short icons, media type, then you can see all of the sequences you can find easily. You can find all the sequences easily. Tip number 3 is, for more faster edit, you can rearrange the sequences. For example, if you can drag the sequence here, so you can take from these clips easily from here to there or there to here, and also you can drag this as same as before. You can also move this here, so it will be like these types. And if you mess these things up, just drag the sequence here again, or you can go to the window, workspace, reset save layout. So now let's come to tips number 4. For creating a new sequence, you can go to new item, new sequence. Here you can find all the presets. You can create the sequence from here, or this is, and you can drag these things there, so it will go to the sequence. And if you drag the clip in the sequence, it will ask whether to change the sequence setting or not. And if you click keep the existing setting, then it will keep the existing setting. Okay. Or you can create a sequence from this clip. From right click, just left click here, and then right click on the clip, and then new sequence from the clip, and it will create a new sequence in this clip with the settings. You can see this sequence information from there, from the info tab. Here you can see 24 frame per second and 1920 by 800. Tips number 5 is that you can change the sequence from horizontal to vertical, and you can do that by from sequence settings. This is the sequence setting 1920 by 800. So you can change it to 800 by 1920. So it will change from horizontal to vertical. Create a sequence and change the sequence setting from 180 by 1920. change from horizontal to vertical, the ratio will be 9:16. And if you drag, just click, and if you click, keep existing still. This can be done by this way also. So this is the 5 tips for you today in Premiere Pro. If you enjoy and love our video, like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.